Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your universalclasses.com courses. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you, if you are going to make a cancellation request, you need to keep this thing in your mind. You have to request after 72 hours and within 7 days of initial enrollment. Okay, so my suggestion is only this, like there is only one option to cancel your contract, to cancel your classes, cancel your course. That is like contact information. You need to contact with the customer support team in the written form. Like you can see the format, this is the subscription format. You need to enter in the subscription information, like you need to provide your course details, you need to provide your contract details, and you need to compose an email. You can take help with ChatGPT, and you can prepare a email that you want to cancel your contract with universal classes. Okay, and once you complete this email, you need to send this email at their physical email address, that is like service@universalclasses.com, and make sure you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the email too. Okay, and once you complete this email, once you send this email, their customer support, once you send this email, their customer support will get in touch with you, and they will guide you how you can cancel your subscription, or they will cancel your subscription. This is the only way. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.